Welcome back once again to our page at Cholex Farms, where we rear catfish commercially for food consumption. So we are here today to install the mobile tapolene catfish pond, and these are 12 feet by 8 feet with 3 feet height tapolene fish pond. So join us as we install this pond on this farm. This farm is located around Agbede here in Ikorodu, Lagos State, Nigeria. So in case you need something as quality as this, we don't give less quality when it comes to tarpaulin. We have high quality tarpaulin here, and we have the strong galvanized pipe used for standing this pond. So join us as we set up this 5K capacity catfish farm here at Ikorodu, Lagos State, Nigeria. We arrived the farm at Ikorodu very early. This was around 7:30 a.m. We are already on the farm. Some popular myth about the tarpaulin pond is that some people believe tarpaulin ponds are not durable. So many people believe that tapolene ponds are not long lasting and they can easily tear or wear out. But in reality, if they are made of strong, high density polythene, they can last up to 10 years if properly managed, if properly maintained. And also, people believe tapolene ponds are not suitable for commercial fish farming. Some persons think tarpaulin ponds are only for small scale or backyard farming. However, tarpaulin ponds can be used for both small scale and commercial fish farming, depending on their size and proper management practices. Also, some people believe fish do not grow well in tarpaulin pond. They believe catfish do not grow well in tarpaulin pond. There is this popular misconception that catfish do not grow properly in a tarpaulin pond due to lack of space or poor water quality. However, with adequate water management, aeration, and good feeding practices, your catfish will grow well, will grow perfectly well in tarpaulin catfish pond. So in subsequent videos, I would also share with you how we actually installed this tarpaulin mobile catfish pond. This is just the arrival. So I would have a video on how it was actually set up. This is a 12 feet by 8 feet tarpaulin pond, and we have about 6 of them. We'll be mounting 6 of them on this farm. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. So you're welcome back once again to our page. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how we successfully mounted the mobile tarpaulin catfish pond at Ikorodu here in Lagos State, Nigeria. So these are 12 feet by 8 feet with 3 feet height tarpaulin mobile catfish pond. So we started the installation as early as 8 a.m. in the morning, and we were done installing around 3:30 p.m. around afternoon. So it was not easy at all, but we give thanks to God. It was a successful delivery and installation. So this is a 12 feet by 8 feet, and we installed 6 of them on this farm. We have 6 of them being installed on this farm, and on each pond we have 10 stands. 10 stands for each pond. So 10 times 6, so we have about 60 stands for the 6 ponds. The reason why we make sure the stands are as much as that is because the pressure of the water is usually heavy. So it's not all about installing pond. Can the pond withstand the pressure that comes when water comes into it when production starts? So we have 10 stands for each pond, making 60 stands for all 6 pond for 12 feet by 8 feet tapolene by catfish pond. That the tapolene we use is of high quality. When it comes to tapolene, we have different qualities. That is why when they give most of you prices for tapolene mobile catfish pond, you feel maybe it's too expensive. It is not too expensive. It is due to the quality of the materials that the person wants to use to construct the pond for you. That is why it is as expensive as that. Like I said earlier, we have different types of tarpaulin. We have different qualities of tarpaulin. So make sure you get a very quality one like this. So the one we used on this farm is of high quality. We can guarantee you that this pond can use over 10 years plus before it starts deteriorating. If properly managed, it can even serve more than 15 years if properly managed and maintained. And this was when we are trying to couple the stand with a screw just for stability and firmness of the pond. And also when it comes to the color being used for this tarpaulin, it is due to the request of the owner of this farm. We have different colors. Even if you want purple, if you want green, if you want orange color, we have it available. So due to the request of the owner of this farm that we should make use of black tarpaulin, that's why we use black tarpaulin for this project. We have white, we even have red. If you want to use red, we have it available. But I will always recommend either black or white for tarpaulin. Black or white is okay. All right, so we are done installing this mobile tarpaulin catfish pond, and what we have here are 12 feet by 8 feet tarpaulin catfish pond in 3 feet height. We have about 6 of them here on this farm. So after we are done doing this, our plumber will still work on the inlet and the outlet. After installing the inlet and the outlet, we will then proceed with fertilization. I do tell you all that it is always advisable you create a natural habitat for your catfish to survive. This tarpaulin pond comes with a smell of chemicals, and if you put in your fingerlings, your juveniles like this, they might end up giving up the ghost. So we'll proceed with normal fertilization. We would use banana leaves and stems to fertilize this pond. We'll leave it for 7 days. Then after 7 days, we'll bring out and wash thoroughly with the sodium chloride. Then after washing it out, we pump in fresh water into this pond. Then we leave for 24 good hours. After 24 hours, we can then introduce our fingerlings into this pond. So in case you need something as a moderate and quality like this, you can always give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message. We can install wherever you are. Kaduna, Ibadan, Kogi, Nasarawa, we can install it wherever you are. So distance can never be a barrier when it comes to installation of the mobile tarpaulin catfish pond. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten value from today's video. Remember to share this video. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.